This video shows how to buy shares of Hope Bancorp Inc., a regional bank providing commercial and retail banking services listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HOPE. This walkthrough is educational and not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HOPE to find Hope Bancorp Inc. Confirm you select the correct NASDAQ listing before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart on the platform. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm it's the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position appears in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the exact platform steps.